Okay. Myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about CYBERARK PAM Defender certification questions. Question and answers. Okay. Today we'll discuss about CYBERARK certification questions, real-time questions. Okay. First question: CYBERARK PAM Defender certification certification. Sorry, PAM. What does PVWA stands for in CYBERARK? The answer is answer. It will shows privileged web access. Second one, password vault web access. Third one, protected vault web application. Fourth one, privileged vulnerability web application. The answer is, this is the question. I will tell you the answer. This is the question options, and the answer is number 2. That is password vault web access. Okay, this is the option number 2. Okay, question number 2. What is the default port? What is the default port for used by the CYBERARK? Option number 1, CYBERARK Vault. Okay, CYBERARK Vault. First one 443. Second one 8080. Third one 1858. Fourth one 5050. Answer is option 3. 1858 is the default port number for CYBERARK. Default port number for CYBERARK. Question number 3. There are 18 or 19 questions are there. One of my student is shared this. Which component allows user to securely access target machines, target systems through recordings, through recorded through recorded sessions. Option number 1, CPM Central Policy Manager, and the second one PSM Privileged Session Management, and the third one PTA Privileged Target Access, and the fourth one and the PVWA stands for Password Web Access, and in this this is only password policies. Okay, this is session recording, privileged session management. This is option number 2, privileged session management. Option number 2. Option number 2. Okay, fourth question. Okay, fourth question. How often should be master policy be reviewed? Option number 1, weekly. Option number 2, monthly. Option number 3, quarterly. Option number 4, annually. Option number 4, annually. There are option number C is the options. Option number 3, every quarterly we have reviewed the master policies. And fifth question, and which CYBERARK tool automates privileged credential management. Credential management. Option number 1, Vault. Option number 2, PSM. Option number 3, CPM. Option number 4, PTA. Option is CPM, Central Policy Manager. Option number 3, Central Policy Manager. Option number C, sixth one. What is the default safe? What is the default safe created during installations? during the installations, during the vault admin safe. First one, option number 1, vault admin safe. Admin safe. Second option, option number 2, system safe. System safe. Master safe. Master safe. And here fourth one, private safe. Private safe. Okay, CYBERARK generally we can system take system safe only. General discussion about this is option number 2, system safe. Generally we can any during installation there is hardcore installation is there in in the tools created separately. There is a system generated keys, means every, suppose there are four lockers is there. In the 4 lockers separate key is available. System is generated automatically separate locker for those keys. This will see in the architecture of the CYBERARK DCDR architecture. It will show clearly. And how system keys are created in this already discussed in my earlier classes, in earlier CYBERARK classes. Okay, what does safe retention define? What does safe retention defines? Option number 1, password expired policies. Password expiration policies. Second option. And a time period. For safe deletion. And the third option, data backup. Policies. And the system settings. And the fourth option, user activity monitoring. User activity monitoring for safes. Answer is C. Data backup policies and the system settings. Auto data is backup. Safe means data is backup for those. Okay. And the eighth point, what type of access does the vault admin house in this? There is in this option number 1, create safe only one option. Another option is there. Another option, monitor monitor. Safe only is the option. Another option, full access to safes and system settings and system settings and system settings. Fourth option, manage password policies only. Managed password policies only. Option number C. Option number C means option number 3, full access to save and the system settings. What those who are CyberArk admins, we can full access those who are safe and all the things. I will explain here. Those who are CyberArk admins, they have full access to control and monitoring the activities and accounts. Either accounts means that is either SSH or Windows accounts or Unix means SSH, right? Or any other accounts. CyberArk admins then more we have able to access and monitoring accounts means monitoring means that is enable or disable accounts and unlock the accounts, onboard the multiple accounts through Excel file. If any mismatch, they will face the issues among them. This is CyberArk admins, they will do this. Already this is discussed about PSM session. Already discussed in the PSM sessions. Okay, already discussed. Okay. After this, 9th point, what is the required what is required to restore a safe from backup. First one, safe name. Answer is option 3. I will show you. Safe master key. And the third option is operator keys. Keys and backup files. This is the solution. This is the answer. Backup files. And the fourth option, safeguard access token. Answer is option C. operator keys and backup files. 10th question. Can a safe be can a safe be shared with multiple users? Multiple users. Answer is okay. Option. Wait, I will put the charging. Wait 1 minute. Okay. There is option 1 yes. Option 2 no. Answer is yes. Yes, we can share safe to be multiple users. We can create the safe for locker purpose. Use in the locker. We have so many. Suppose I have 10 users. Each user have separate locker, safe locker. Suppose I will explain here. Don't worry about this. I have 10 users. We will create safe for that and share it to the user. This is asking about the certification question. We can share multiple users. We can share the safety for multiple users. We can share. Don't worry about that. Okay. And 11th one. What is the primary responsibilities? What is the primary responsibilities of CPM Central Policy Manager for password changes? Option number one, Python only. Option number 2, PowerShell only. Option number 3, VB script, Visual Basic script. I will show you the VB script. Don't worry about that. In Excel also we can use VB script. Don't worry about it. I will show you. PowerShell. And Python. And fourth option, JavaScript only. I will show you the Python script how it is. I will open here one Excel sheet. I will open one Excel sheet. It will show in the Excel sheet there is VB script also available. I will show you. This is Visual Basic script also available. I will show you. Don't worry about that. So I create new one. Go here. I will click and right click. Okay, right click. View the code. This is here we can write. This is the VB script, Visual Basic. Here this is the VB script. This is the VB script. Suppose I will drag and drop. If any you can use here drag and drop, I will use. This is the VB script, Visual Basic project. If any forms we can create, any forms we can create, right click and under this view code, and a view code is here, and right click. I will right click and insert user form. In the user form here I will show you sample user creation. Okay, sample user form in the C Sharp or Visual Basic. Okay, I will show you the sample form. Label. I will here, this is the label. I will show you the sample username. This is a Visual Basic. It will comes like this. Okay, in this I will use here username name under text. Here text is there. We can observe here text is there. Here caption. In the caption we can use username. See, caption is there. We can use username in the caption. Okay, in the caption username is there. In this height and everything is there. Okay, so in this username we have write the table right. This is the text box. This is the text box. We can written as a text box. In the text box here text box 1 is there. We can put txt username, txt username, txt username, and the table text nothing is there. Okay, here select here. See, we can put generally. See, text box txt username. Okay, in this after this there is one password policy management. LBL password we are using here. LBL password. We can caption is password. We can use password. We can use the password. See, we can use the password. In the password, same text box. We can copy paste here. Use here text box. This text box consists of txt password. txt password. We can use txt password. Under that, in the text box there is no caption. Okay, this is combo box. This is multiple pages. This is scroll bar. This is pin button, and this is command button. And this is checkbox. See, this is option radio button. This is toggle button, and edit. And we can use command button. See, this is a button. In this button, in this login and one more thing is there here, index. Where I cannot find out. 1 minute. Or we can use right click. view the properties, caption, you can use login button. Say this is the login button. Okay, in this login, okay, in this login you can create you can create here. See, this is label one. This is sub logins are there. You can use txt dot, and we can use create names and all the things. This is we can create the user form and all the things in the C#.net or Visual Basics.net. We can use the forms and we can use the code here like this. These are in a .net. We have so many buttons are there. See, checkbox and combo box and list box and checkbox and radio button is available, and this toggle button and everything, reference edit and image file also edit, and a spin button and a scroll button and multi pages and a tab and a scroll command button and a frame. Everything is here. So in the Excel also we can build visual. We can build a form or calculator. Recently we can build one calculator using Excel. That is calculator is built in my videos. Everything is there. We can see the video how to build a calculator using Visual Basic.net. Okay. Okay, in Excel also we can build. Okay, that is I am saying about this. Option is number is 3. Option number 3 under 12th one. Twelfth one. Which script type can be used? Type can be used in Central Policy Manager for password changes. Sorry, for password changes. This is sorry. This question is here. Okay, this question is here. Now here another question. 12th question. What is the primary responsibilities of the CPM options? Option 1, managing sessions. And password rotations. Password rotations. And option number C. This is option number B. Option number 2. PowerShell only we can change. Okay. This is for option C. Okay. Option number C. Privileged accounts. Privileged account thread analysis. And the 4th option, and the safe creation. And the safe creation option answer is 2. Password rotation CPM can be helpful for rotation of the shift, password rotation. And 13th one, and how does CPM knows, how does CPM Central Policy Manager reconcile a password also those who are CyberArk admins. Option number one, by creating a new password only, and option number two, by syncing a new password policy. Option number three, by syncing a password with the target system, and option number C, by using manual override policies, and the fourth one, by granting user access, and answer is B. Answer is option number two, by syncing the password with the target machine which not sync. It will help if password is not sync with appropriate target systems or machines. We will contact IAM team for reconcile the password. Raise the ServiceNow ticketing tool. This same issue in my employment also faces during the change window. I am facing this issue in my employment. Fourteenth one, what is the default expiration period for passwords, and option number one, 30 days, and option number two, 90 days, option number three, 180 days, option number four, customized based on policies. Some of the guys are using option 4. No, option C is the correct answer, 180 days. Some of the those who are writing the exam, this is the question. Almost 70% guys are using this answer. Okay, This answer is absolutely wrong due to the as per CyberArk standards. We have used 180 standards. You can reconcile the password due to password security policies as per standards. This is the wrong question, wrong answer we are putting in the options. Okay, please keep it in mind. What should be enabled to enforce password password complexity. And option number 1, enable dual control, and enable strong password policies. And option number 3, enable backup policies. And fourth one, enable auto reconcile. It is CyberArk based on the your experience. It will get some of in here there is reconcile button is there. Based on the organization, based on the standards, it will be enable or disable based on the organization standards. It will be there. Okay, this is the option number 2 is the answer. Option number 2, enable strong password policies to not able to hack the server, not able to hack the CyberArk password, and not able to allow the passwords once. Please note here, once CyberArk configured in your system, configured in your machine, in your data centers, or machines or servers not allowed the port numbers except 1858, and based on the standards we will enable or allow the firewall rules. All ports are blocked in the CyberArk environment. Okay, due to 7-layer security. We cannot breach the 7-layer security. Okay, this is the main target of the CPM. Okay, and the 16th one, and here session management questions. Okay, what is a key future of privileged session management? And first one, rotation and rotating passwords in real-time scenarios. And the second one, recording. PSM is only recording only. Absolutely everything is correct. not rotating. PSM is password, session means recording the session, and store at the vault. I will show you some demo for this. Privileged user session, and the third one, generating compliances reports, and the fourth one, and changing Active Directory policies. Active Directory policies in answer is option number 2. Why? Because every account have session recordings available, available. We will see that. Go to the vault. Login as auditor user, and we will see the recordings of the particular subject or particular things. What we need. Last class I show the recordings. Okay, that was how recording is. We can onboard the accounts. How recordings means, while onboarding accounts and connected with PSM and Active Directory LDAP certificate management. This is the one of the subject is there in the CYBERARK. And how, and 71, how can a user access a session through PSM? Very excellent question. Okay, option 1, some of the guys are using RDP and SSH only. No, by using PVWA only we can access the sessions. Okay, using RDP or SSH only. This is some of guys are using this answer. No, this is the wrong. Using PVWA only we can access the sessions. Okay, direct login is no issue, no security, so we cannot use direct connections. Okay, target machines, and the third option is through PVWA is web interface, and the fourth option, by manually enabling the sessions. No, by manually you cannot enable session. We can connect with the PSM PVW only. We cannot connect to PVW. We cannot use recording the sessions. Okay. Option number C, through PVW only. Suppose, see, this is my machine. This is my user accessing target machines. User PVWA. Enter this and CPM and Central Policy Manager and CPM and PSM connecting to the target machines, either RDP or SSH. Okay, and integrate both are and PSM integrated with LDAP. There is certificate is there, self-sign certificate is there, trust certificate is there, and the self-sign certificate is there. We can enable and enable all the things. So this is the thing happened in real time scenarios. One more question is there, latest interview question, latest certification question. This what are session recordings stored under the vault only. Okay, under the vault only. Already discussed this. Those who are vault admins, those who are auditors, we can log in and we can view the recordings. This also, this on the vault, and another option is on the CPM server, on the CPM server, and the third option is on a network, share. The fourth option is locally on the endpoint. Option is answer is option 1. Vault user only. Vault admins are auditor user. All recordings will be stored under the vault. Login auditor user, then we'll see the recordings. Okay, this is the most 18 certification question important in real time scenario. Also can important this 18 questions. Please keep it in mind, those who are preparing a CYBERARK interview questions and other things, this is the most important. Okay, thank you for watching this. Okay, please share and subscribe the channel. Don't copy the content and use your channel. If any copyright content, we can take action against those channels.